the mother who permeates the entire universe, who is the source of all that is, Satchit Ananda. That divine mother begins to express within your own heart. Until the heart has become absolutely fulfilled, there is always movement of the soul toward that attainment. When the moment that stage is reached, you are not confined to normal consciousness that defines your personality. So that type of virtue that Saraswati is inspiring you to have, the virtue that dissolves your ego. Because every moment, if you have a total view of what is happening, the glory of the self shines forth.